Hello, good morning. Here we are again. Today with a bit of a soundtrack. Anyway, I thought to start this video like this because, yeah. So this is the 4 hour that we have here, okay? And the first thing I do every day is to mark my resistance areas and my support areas in everywhere in the 4 hours, in the 1 hour, in the 30 minutes, everywhere. Let me drop the sound a little bit. And so I mark up all those resistances. So we have those closes there, and you can see I've put a blue line in that close. Same goes for those closes there, and I also put a blue line in there. So those are two resistances. The same, those red lines are for the extremes of the weeks, like you have a week here and a week here, so there is a red line there, and the same in top in there. So those are the extreme ranges, and the closes are the inside ranges. This in the 4 hours. So let's switch to the 30 minutes or to the 15 minutes, the 1 hour, to other time frames to see. Um, okay, the 1 hour first. So in the 1 hour, everything is pretty much. Let me see if we have more. Oh yeah, I also draw this zone here in the 1 hour, this support here. So this, because it was their kind of support, it was here resistance, and probably back there is more. So I put that level in also. Okay, so let's go to our trading chart, which is like the 30 or the 15 minute. Let's put the 15 minutes. I normally trade in the 15 minutes. So the day started by around let me check my chart. Yeah, the day started like here in this zone here, okay? And when I got it to the computer, again, same as yesterday, we are at resistance and we are trying to buy resistance, and I did it again and I got stopped again, just exactly as the same as yesterday. So I placed a pending order just above this 50 here, you know, and yeah, it didn't work out. No, it was above all those weeks that I put my pending order, but this week went above all the weeks, and then it came all the way back. So yeah, I got stopped in here. I managed my trade. I took the first position. I stopped it here like for 5 pips or something like that. Um, yeah, and I think the other was a full stop. Yeah, like 10 pips, somewhere here, like 10 pips. So yeah, this one was a stop. Nothing to do about it. Again, trying to buy resistance. Not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. Next trade. Let me. Yeah. Then what we have here is rejection of resistance, of a level of resistance again, and we have a bearish candle, isn't it? So by my rules, or by the rules, what we do is, at the breach of this low, we enter in a short position. All right, we enter in a short position. The stop is just above the week, and yeah, this trade would have been very good if it wasn't for this bullish close here, you know. The price, although I should have my stops in there, I got out of the trade soon as I saw the candle in this zone here, you know, right at the top of this week here. I thought to myself, no, this is going up again, and my mentor is right, and we are going to breach this thing. But I just got out of the trade in here. I just got out of the trade in here in this week, right in the top of the week, and I lost a bit. I lost like 8 pips. So two losses in here, you know. The first, the long didn't work, then the short also didn't work. The thing is, this short is a good short, you know. It's not only the problem is this bullish candle here, this bullish candle closing there, you know. That should kick anyone out of the trade, you know, because you have a bullish candle, you don't want to have a bullish candle. But the thing is that candle, although it's bullish, it closed in a way that you have in this candle a lower high and a lower low than the previous candle, isn't it? Look, high, oh shit, sorry, cancel. So you have this high, this one has a lower high, and you have this low, this one has a lower low. So this kind of, it's a bullish candle, but it's a not convincing bullish candle, you know, because it didn't breach the high, it breached the low. So yeah. Anyway, I got out of the trade and I took the stop. But if I had continued in this trade, alright, so my entry is here, my stop is there, okay? And this is how it should be, okay? So you can see that my stop was never hit there, alright? And whatever target you have, you just made the target, okay? You just get it, you know. So this trade was good. I didn't took it. I got stopped, but it was a good trade, and yeah. Anyway, from here, and because my mentor was not biased short, my real account is very traded based on my mentor. So I was trading demo from here. Okay, so let me see that. Oh, not there is another trade in the real account. Yeah, but let me see the demo now. So in the demo, what did I do in the demo? So in here we have, so just after that candle that we were talking about, we have again a bearish candle, okay? And this bearish candle breached the low of the previous one, closed bearish, you know. So this is a trade here, you know. Let me see, where did I get in? Because this is like the second confirmation that we are going bearish, and we are at resistance and we are making bearish candles. So yeah, I took a short in here in this zone. Okay, I took a short, and with the stop above that same candle. All right. So the short was here, and because I cannot wait, I cannot. Oops. I cannot wait for the. Let me just put this in non-disturb mode. Okay. So my stop was there. Okay, and it was never it. It was amazing. It went close there, but it never hit my stop. So I took my first target like in here in this zone, and my second target. My second target was huge on this one. My second target was, let me see, 15 minutes. My second target was here, so it was a very big trade. So this was my second target, and my first target was here, you know, and my entry was here with stop just above, you know. So what a trade, what a shame it was on demo, and and I didn't make any money, but yeah, I saw it, and it was a lovely trade. Okay, next one. This is not the only one that I took in the way down, because as I see price doing things, we kind of. So what happened? Okay, I took another trade. So price breached this support here. Yeah, we breached down and we closed below. This is a close below that support. Okay, and we have this week on this candle, yeah? So what do? Well, we already breached below support, so I know it's going down. So I wait for the price to go up to make the wick, and soon as it comes down and breaches the body of the candle and flips red, I enter the trade, okay? So I enter another trade in here, in this zone here, okay? And I took my stop. This one was just around here, around yeah, it was just because you gotta remember I still have a runner running, okay? So I took like 12 pips in here or something like that. It was another amazing trade. Okay, next, it was traded on my real account. So let's go back to my real account. Okay, so let me zoom out this. So we have breached this support here. This line that is here was this line here. This line here was breached, was support, yeah, support there, and we closed below that line. Okay, we closed below that line. So what I'm expecting is price to continue to the next zone, of support, which is that second line there. So let's read the candles to see what's going on. So this candle closes below support, okay? Closes in here, support is here, so direction is down. This bullish candle goes up, tries to go up, but it couldn't. All right, it rejected the resistance again. You see, it did a big wick. This is a big wick of rejection. All this big wick of rejection there. So what I did is, as soon as the price breached the low of this candle here, I'm short. Okay, and that was in my real account. And what is my target there? Let's see. Let's zoom out. Oh, it's it's the next resistance, which is around 68, 89. I took it. This was very unlucky. It was very unlucky because I took some profit, like in here. Okay, it was like 15 pips, 16 pips, something like that. Remember, I entered here in this breach. Okay, but then the second position, price went up and stopped me out break even in there, right in my entry, and continued move down. And man, yeah, what can I do? Okay, the second one was break even, but the bias is still bearish. So let's continue. What's going on here? Okay, so we have gone up. Here. Yeah, all this thing is going up. Very bullish candle there, but notice it has no wick. This candle has no wick. Okay, this is a big red flag. It should have a wick. When has no wick, probably it's going to reverse. No, but isn't that's not the only thing. You can see that we just came to test this zone again, and the candle flipped down again, bearish. Okay, so this candle is bearish again, at kind of resistance there, and what we do? Well, the next one, it will breach the low of this candle. That's my entry again. Okay, and in this one I only took one position. And I wanted it to run to the final TP, which is very, very far away. But I was just trying to, yeah, yeah. So I took that entry there, and my TP was, oh, I gotta go back to see my TP. Okay, my TP was there. My TP was in here. So this zone here. That was my TP. The problem is, the problem is I got break even again. All right, so I've entered here in this low because the candle came down, gave me like 10 pips, and then gone back up again, everything, and then came down again, you know. So very unlucky, another break even. So after this I'm not trying anymore, you know. I oh no, I did another try. Wow, amazing. Okay, so this one I entered here, got break even. The second one of this trade I've entered here got break even, and I did another try where, oh, as soon as I saw the candle coming all back down again, I did another entry in here, trying to catch up the break even that I just, you know, because this is going bearish still, you know, and this we have this week to fill here, you know. So what yeah, it's crazy. It went all the way back down and went back again and took me break even again. You know, so look, I could have taken many 10 pips, many, and I ended up break even most of the time. Anyway, I still, yeah, in my real account I'm negative for the day. So, but it's a very very small loss because my losses were not that big and my profit was very big. So almost only one position profit almost paid for all the losses. It's not enough, but it's a very small loss, so not compromising definitely. And also all those break evens is just very very bad luck, man. You know, it's it goes right to my entry and then comes back. Wow. And he did it 3 times, you know. So I just stop insisting, and tomorrow is another day and we trade tomorrow more. All right. Okay, so this is the resume of the day. I hope you like it. Yeah, have a good day and trade safe. Bye bye. Cheers. Trying to stop the video. Difficult.